guys, it's Sky here and welcome back to my channel. So today is another day, another vlog. So I've decided to make a new video for you guys. I'm sorry if I haven't been uploading new videos lately because in my place, I'm in my province and there's no internet connection here. We don't have Wi-Fi. So anyways, the video for today is I'll be putting contact lenses on for the first time. I've seen a lot of YouTube videos or YouTube tutorials on how to put on contact lenses, and yeah, I hope I can do it. Let's do it for the vlog. Alright, so let's start by opening the paper bag. So what we have here is the solution, contact lens case, and the contacts. The color of these contacts are beach bombshell gray. So, okay, how do you open this? You just have to find the arrow, then slightly twist it to the side, and then boom, voila. To get the contact lenses out, you may use a Q-tip or you may use the tweezers with the rubber ends. Okay, without further ado, let's get started. I keep talking. Oh my god. This is... Lord. Wait, I will turn off the electric fan. But it's so hot here, you know. Very hot sa Philippines. They do it like that, oh. It looks so easy on YouTube videos, good. Pero in reality... See? Nag-flip siya, guys. This is just the normal or regular size contact lenses. 14mm daw. Sabi ni ate. Ate girl. Lo, uy, ginoo ko. Kasama ko sa ibo. Lord help me. So, struggle is real. Let's make it effortless. Oh. Okay, go inside. Go inside, baby. Oh my god. Okay, I think we need to massage. Woo! Oh my gosh, can you see the difference? Because I can't. Right eye check. Check ang right eye, guys. Wow, that was quick. I'm so proud of myself. Like, damn. Okay, left eye naman. Huwag mo kong pahirapan. Left eye, please. Please. Oh. Oh my god. Ala, Lord. Lord, tabang Lord. Uy. Sakit biyo. Go inside. Oh my god. Hey! Oh! Hapdos. Ma-update guys, ma-update. Pinaiyak. Dali na siya guys. Ay, Tagalog. Translate, wait lang. Madali lang siya ikabit. Madali lang siya ikabit sa left eye. Pero sa right eye, medyo nag-struggle ako doon. Mga 3 minutes ata or 4. Uy, I can use this sa mga makeup tutorials. Pero, in fairness, guys, hindi siya mahapde. Hindi siya mahapde doon sa right eye. Pero sa left eye, medyo mahapde siya nung first. Sabi ng mga YouTube videos na napanood ko about like putting on your contact lenses, you should never switch the left and the right eye because it's really important. Baka may what you call that? Virus, bacteria, germs doon sa left eye na mapupunta sa right eye na wala naman yung right eye. Wag na guys. Hindi ako marunong mag-explain talaga. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you had fun, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of me, leave a comment down below what you guys want me to try next. Like, playing something for the first time, or oh, I was planning to do a video about playing PUBG for the first time, or like how I play, specifically me, like how beginners play PUBG. Like, damn, we're so noisy, this is gonna be fun. I love it. Yes, PUBG or CSGO or Ross, Fortnite. Yeah, yun. Pero of course, guys, magpa-practice muna ako, no? Kasi hindi talaga ako marunong mag-bang-bang. So, yun. Actually, right now, I'm practicing. No, I'm not practicing. Just for fun lang siya talaga. Like, it's called PUBG. Tapos, sinabihan ko na yung mga friends ko na mag-download kayo, maglaro tayo kasi this is gonna be fun. There's mic kasi, so narinig nyo yung isa't isa. Kahit malayo kayo sa isa't isa, you know what I mean? LDR. Like, tapos, nagpaplano ako na mag-cooking show. Tapos yung, Skye Tries it. Segment! Gosh! So, this is my new segment, Skye Tries it. And this is like the first episode, trying contact lenses for the first time. I don't know if that makes sense, pero yung second segment natin, guys, is yung cooking show ko, which is I will kung ano na lang talaga yung naiisipan kong gawin sa channel ko. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time, and don't forget to reach your dreams because the sky is the limit. Bye.